the main ingredients in making the nail polish, the varnish, fiberglass paints, and another related products. So sa madaling sabi, bukod sa sources ng kanilang income, nakikinabang. Okay, so this is the bucket of them. A bucket is a native backpack of Palawan tribe. They use this one to carry the heavy product, such the bagtik. Etong bucket gawa siya sa ratan. The adult can carry 30 up to 50 kilos of bagtik. It's up and down in the mountain. So, she said, when it's heavy or mabugat, no worries po. Aside from the shoulder strap, meron silang head support then to carry even more weight. And right there, yung nasa dingding answer, this is the real bucket with bagtik that they bring up and down in the mountain. So that one is range of 50 kilos. Ganun po siya kabigat or heavy. And aside from that, Palawan tribe, they're also music lovers. That's why they have their own musical instrument. Okay, the first instrument, they have this gimbal. Gimbal is made of the whole wood which they carve, inukit, and on top,